Benvinguts, som Guardians of Cars i avui portem el primer capítol de Analitzant cotxes de subscriptors.
Hola, molt bones. Soc Joel i aquest és el meu Ford Escort.
Som Guardians of Cars.
Conduir la nostra passió.
Why you all about my business? Yeah, I've been working hard, always keeping to myself. Why you acting like a witness? Man, trying to get a piece once I'm getting all this world. No, you don't need to get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, no, now you trying to get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, why you trying to get involved? No, no, you were never about the squad. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. I hate the way you think we're friends. You must be crazy. I've been working till the day's end.
El Ford Escort és del 1998, té 90 cavalls i és una cilindrada de 1.500. I hem col·locat un color blau perla amb un combinat dorat, ja sigui les llantes, techo, retrovisors i bueno, pues al maletero portem un equip de música compost de 4 mijos, 2 tweeters i 2 bombos, en la qual tenim 1.200 watts de sonido total.
She hold me down, at least one person has got me. I try to keep it humble, only face me acting cocky, yeah. And everything is going my way. Girl got the ass and she going my place. Reppin' 603 and you know it's my state. Got some cash coming in, need to double my pay. Ole, why you all about my business? Yeah, I've been working hard, always keeping to you don't need to get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, you were never about the squad. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, this isn't easy. There's things you need to sacrifice. There's so much more than dope beats, and if you're rapping nice, music's forever. Want this bumping in my afterlife. Rappers make a meal with the flow, not even half as nice. I guess that's the game though. Never gonna change, bro. People hit me like you.
Soc Joel i aquest és el meu Ford Escort.
You're right, I'm feeling different. They complain about the game. Just work hard and quit your bitching. That's the mission.